Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are at Leith Hill in Surrey. We are going through from Friday Street. It's like a big circular trail. It's 9.5 miles up and down hills. I've got all my cameras going. I've got 2 litres of water, 2 protein bars, just the usual gear. And it's kind of like 20 degrees, but we're in the shade. I'm with my friend Richard behind me. Right, it seems like we've got some signal and we are actually on the right path, and we've got Mr. Richard here navigating us with 0 bars, but we're still finding the way. This is all overgrown and spiky. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Oh, dodgy. I did read that there's a lot of overgrown spots. Look at that. Someone's covered it up with logs. So we're just heading up to Leith Hill Tower, and it's the highest point in Surrey. I'm trying to get some video footage up there, like 360, see what I can get for you. We're just following this mountain bike trail. There's not really, there's not really anyone about, especially down this way. We've seen a couple of people doing the main trail, but not this mountain biking stuff. Like a little monkey, Richard. Got a freshly cut tree. Sounds like snake territory. There are adders here, and they do bite. Look at this old bomb shelter. I'm going to stick my 360 down there, see what view we can get. Check out the hole in this tree. Got a nice bit of uphill, and then got the big stairs. I know about the big stairs because I went down them the other day, and this time we're going up. Fun, fun, fun. These stairs lead straight up to the tower on top of Leith Hill. Let's get these done. So if you want to know how difficult this is, kind of average fitness, do a lot of walking. That's about it, a bit of hiking. It's kind of moderate. I haven't stopped yet. I do have a bag, which is about 10 kilos.
Go around. Just wait, yeah. Come first, yeah.
Yes.
Let these guys go.
Okay, let's go a bit faster. Oh, done. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Thank God for that kid stopping. He gave me a bit of a break. And there is Leith Hill Tower, tallest point in Surrey. More stairs. Right, these are tight, circular.
Oh, sorry.
So I've got a big bag. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Check this out. It's a little chapel. Oh, wow. Check that out. 360. 60.
Where are you going to now?
We started at Friday.
Friday Street?
Yeah, and we're going all the way around. It's like a 9.5 mile loop.
Take my hat off to you.
So we're about halfway, I'd say. We've had one major climb on those steps up here, just now to the tower. And there's going to be some more climbs, but we're heading down now. We're actually heading down. That would be really cool on a mountain bike, speeding down there. Right, we're at this little pub, the Plough Inn. I was actually here a few days ago. Nice food here, mate. I ate it the other day. I've never actually seen that sign in the UK before. That horses and carriages. It's like out of a horror movie. That's a proper little swamp, isn't it? Diseased little swamp. Fresh drinking water.
Dismissed, I'll make it, let it run. And it's handy if you are running, you've got to stop for some reason, but you don't really want to affect all the time, would it be, you know?
So these woodlands, I actually prefer them to Box Hill. They're just something about them. They're so much nicer. And just much more open and a lot quieter. Box Hill's really populated. I mean, it's still really quiet when I was down there, but compared to here, you don't really walk past people that much. It's silent.
Hi, you alright? You know, just maxing out. I want the 360 you've got as well. Because you could do the afternoon. Afternoon, alright.
We're actually not sure if there's any more hills left. Was it just those stairs? I hope not. I was looking forward to like some struggle. Check out this sign. It's private, but underneath it says, "You may find adders basking in this area. Please do not disturb them." Man, I ain't disturb no bloody adders. Well, I asked for it. Got a nice little hill here. Call it Waterfall, that is. You can't actually get like drone footage of it. It's too overgrown. You can't actually go down below and see it. But it's still a nice waterfall to see. Oh, I get it. Yeah. That's pretty cool. It's a nice pond.
Yeah.
That's a nice pond.
You said that earlier, you saw it.
We're actually back where we started. It wasn't even that bad. I was expecting a lot worse. A couple of hills, some stairs. It wasn't too bad. Okay, let's go through the stats of this hike. So, 26,500 steps, 20 kilometers, 1,500 calories, and 48 floors. So, it's longer than Box Hill. It's more scenic than Box Hill. Box Hill is a lot tougher, up and down hills, but this is better. Like, see, I prefer the scenery here because it's like different types of woodlands. It's more variety. You get like lakes and waterfalls. And I mean, Box Hill has little bits and pieces, and this is a lot quieter. We saw hardly anyone apart from at the top of the Leith Hill. It was really cool, this walk. I did enjoy it. I do need something more tougher. Thanks to Richard for joining me as well. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this if you found value in it and want to join me for the next adventure. Catch you later.